Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make another great low-carb and keto-friendly recipe. It's for avocado bacon dip. So if you love guacamole, you're going to love this avocado bacon dip. It's super simple to put together. You can put it together in just a matter of minutes. And you know what? I haven't seen an equivalent for it in the grocery store. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to begin with 2 medium-sized avocados. Now, these are just plain old Hass avocados that I can get in the store often for about $2 for $1. You can't beat that. So mash them up just like you would if you were making guacamole. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start putting in all your great mix-in ingredients. And we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is going to keep this dip from getting brown. It will stay fresh in your refrigerator for quite a few days. Then we're going to add in a half a cup of sour cream. Then we're going to add in a couple of teaspoons of grated onion. Now, I actually grate the onion with a food grater because it almost makes the onion dissolve. Then we're going to add in 2 ounces of bacon that is cooked. And you can add some salt in there if you'd like, if you think you need it. And you're just going to simply stir this up and enjoy. This dip is so easy to make. Now, obviously, if you're on a low-carb diet, you're going to want to pick up some great low-carb options. But you know what? This honestly goes great with Doritos, corn chips, and has a variety of uses. So I know you're going to love this recipe. So do me a favor, drop me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. And also, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe, and I can't wait to talk to you again. Thanks.